Good morning. We've just come down to the harbour front just to see how the development's going. It's the first time we've been, really, isn't it?
Yeah, for a while.
And wow, it looks fantastic. I'm going to show you some pictures. We're just going to go. We've just parked our bikes up on the steps, on the middle lot of steps, and we're going to have a walk up on the pier to look at the new pier because we haven't been on that either. And have a look at the new decking they've got on there, and have a walk down to the area, which is closed, but we can walk down and see the area where they're going to build a new bridge from the shopping centre. So let's go and have a look. So look at these brand new steps.
Metal railings.
Well, you see now the railings actually lean in at the top. You know, from the top there, so there's more room for your feet, which is a good idea. And we once did a little piece to camera down here, didn't we?
We did.
About the Dique de Levante. It opened on the 7th of December 2000. Let's have a look at our favourite statue. Oh, it's lovely and fresh today, isn't it?
Nice sea breeze.
That sea breeze.
It's actually not that cold, that wind, is it?
No. There she is.
She's not changed.
Great views as usual from here. You can see Punta Prima. Right down the coast, and down the other way we've got the rest of the pier. I think it's 1.6. So it's a long pier. Anyway, let's have a walk down, see what we can see. And Torrevieja Council very kindly, thoughtfully put some water, some drinking water. 2 taps, so there it is, look. Fresh drinking water. Marvellous for the joggers that come on at whatever time, day and night. Fantastic. Yeah, there's seats all along the pier. And are they comfortable? Go on, let's have a sit down. You have a sit down. Let's see what it looks like with people sat on them. Oh, look at that. Are you comfy?
Yeah.
Is it comfortable? Is it good for your back?
And it's not cold, like stone.
No. It's a nice finish, isn't it?
Sparkly.
It's certainly not a cheap job, this, is it? They've spent some money on it. And
it's
really
like
nice.
it curves. It curves there, so it's nice for your back.
Yeah, it's right comfy, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Can't believe it. And what a lovely view.
Yeah.
So let's walk a bit further. We're going to go down to the right towards the town, and we'll just see how this new bridge is looking. I don't know when they're going to do it. I think they are maybe a little bit behind.
We have seen a big difference though, haven't we?
We have, just in a few days actually. This last few days from when we came, because we've been down here since we came back and had a quick look round, but we haven't been on the pier before.
No.
So let's go down there. Come on, we'll have a look. Marina's looking good. There we are today in Torrevieja, just catching up with developments at the harbour. Great view from here, isn't it?
Yeah.
See all across the beach there.
Sea's quite calm today. In fact, it doesn't feel that windy just up here, does it?
No, it doesn't. It's weird, isn't it? So just halfway down the pier, you know, the second set of steps, opposite where the submarine is, which will be moved when they finish the development. They're going to move it from where it is. It's been there for years, but they're going to move it into a more accessible place from the new part, the new development, so people can see it there. But a great view. There's the marina, looking as good as ever. Plenty of parking around here, and then looking back towards town, we can see on the left there the new development taking shape. It looks amazing, really. Now they've got the glass in now, look. Here's some more taps.
Do they work? Yes, they work.
Of course. Yeah, we'll go down a bit further. I'm not sure if I don't know if we can get out here. We'll have to walk back, I think.
It looks like it's blocked there.
Yeah, I think it's blocked. So we're getting towards the place where the bridge is going to come across from the shopping centre to the pier. Right, well here we are, this is as far as we can go. As you can see, we've got a barrier up and we can't go past this point. And you can see where they've taken down the piece of the pier to replace it with a flyover. Flyover, that's the word I'm looking for. That's going to go from there across here. It's quite a big spread, isn't it? You know, it's a lot bigger than you think. When you see it on an illustration, you think, oh, it's not that far really, but it is. It's got to be 100 metres, hasn't it, really?
Yeah.
Because it sweeps in. It's not straight, it goes round in a bit of an arc. So yeah, it's going in. You can see the McDonald's at the top there. You might just see the sign. And then on the right there, this side, you can see the machine that digs the big holes with the set foundations to put in the struts, probably to carry the weight of the flyover.
It's moving.
It's moving.
Now we've heard a date, we keep hearing different dates about when this is going to finish, but the last date I've heard is the 28th of May.
Really?
Which, if it is, we'll miss that opening because we'll have gone home.
Yeah, which is a shame, but I'm sure there'll be lots of videos and YouTube things about it. But it doesn't look like it's going to be totally finished by the 28th of May, that's for sure.
No, but if they get this across here, so that people can start walking across, that'll be a big achievement, won't it?
It will. But the actual main structure seems to be a week or two off, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What are we on now, the 25th of March?
March.
You never know, look how many people are working on it. I've never seen as many workmen down here. They're all battling away, trying to, you know, shorten the deadlines.
It's a massive project though, isn't it?
Oh yeah. And it's doubled in price, the cost, hasn't it? When it started off at 20 million and now I think it's about 40 million or something.
Is it?
Things you can't do on the pier. You can't cycle or use your scooter. No private events to be held on the pier. Looks like no motorised vehicles, no drinking. What's that, jumping off the pier, do you think? Do you think anybody want to do that?
Probably climbing up over the fence.
All right, no climbing over the fence, no littering. Keep charge of your children at all times and no dog walking. So there you go, Torrevieja's new harbour development is really starting to take shape, and that connection through to the pier, that's the bit that could completely change how people experience this whole area. It's not just about the boats anymore, it's about creating a space where you can stroll, stop for a drink, take in the views and actually feel part of the waterfront. We'll definitely be keeping an eye on this one because if it all comes together the way it's planned, this could end up being one of the standout spots in Torrevieja. But for now, what do you think? Is this a great upgrade or are they messing with something that didn't need fixing? Let us know in the comments and we'll see you in the next one.